To fix alloy rim scratches. First, wash the scratched rim with soapy water to remove any dirt and grease. Go over the scratched area with a cloth dipped in paint thinner to make sure it's as clean as possible. Next, put painter's tape around the scratched area so there's about 1/4 inch, 0.6 centimeters of space around each scratch. This will protect your rims and tire. Sand the scratched area with 400 grit sandpaper until it feels smooth. Then, apply some metal reinforced spot putty over the area with your finger. Immediately sand the area with 600 grit sandpaper to push the putty down into the scratches. Let the putty dry for 5 minutes, then sand it again. Now, cover the rest of your wheel with tape and craft paper so you don't get any paint on it. Spray a thin layer of lacquer or paint in the same color as the rim over the scratched area. Let that dry, then sand it with a piece of wet 1200 grit sandpaper. Repeat with another layer of lacquer or paint if the putty shows through. Wash the area with soapy water once it's dry and let it dry again. Finally, apply a thin layer of clear gloss lacquer to the area. Remove the paper and tape and let the rim dry overnight.